Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Saddlebroke local and long-distance movers near me. There are many essential things to put in place when relocating. One crucial task is the transportation of your belongings. To facilitate the successful transportation of your belongings, you need to hire the services of a moving company. 3 Movers is the ideal moving company for all your moving needs. We follow a fail-proof work system and deliver satisfactory results. We are actively in operation in Saddlebrook, AZ, and we are right at the heart of the city, so you can easily access us. At 3 Movers, we provide both local and long-distance moving services. We only hire diligent movers and work with high-quality moving trucks. We have a positive reputation in the city and a transparent pricing system. We provide you with a price estimate at the beginning of the move. We don't have any hidden charges or extra charges. We go as far as working with your budget and giving you suggestions on reducing total cost. You don't need to be scared about unreasonable rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Saddlebrook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.